Gilbert, Arizona is probably one of the most sought after suburbs to move to. And today we are going on a tour by New Village Homes and we're going to be touring their model home 203. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Kuya Oscar and you are watching Selling AZ. If this is your first time checking into my channel, guys, I go around all the brand new construction community. I tour their model homes as well as their move-in ready homes, and I dive further into different areas here in Arizona. So guys, do me a favor, if you like what you see, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all things real estate here in the greater Phoenix area. Okay? So today we are headed to Gilbert, Arizona, and we are going to be touring a beautiful exclusive community by New Village Homes. Okay, this community only holds 18 lots, guys. And the model plan that we will be touring today is model plan 203. Okay, it is 2,275 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Absolutely stunning, guys. So I'm definitely excited to show you. Hey, stick around to the end of this video and we will talk about more on the HOA. How much is the HOA? What it covers, the location of this beautiful community, and other cool information. Okay, guys. So with that being said, let's get this home tour started. What's going on, guys? We are here in Gilbert, Arizona. This main road here is Ray Road. We are going to be touring this new construction community by New Village Homes. It is in an amazing location, guys. Really beautiful community as well. Really nice entryway. Love the palm trees there. So looking at some new construction homes, I've noticed that their countertops, the standard is granite, right? And usually it's just your standard 2 cm, maybe 3 cm thickness of countertops. With New Village Homes, they have 4 cm quartz countertops. 4 cm quartz countertops, so that's a really nice finish. So I've toured a few new construction homes that offer this sliding glass door, and I haven't seen one quite as big as this except for Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers have a plan that's similar to this big. This is a 12 by 20 sliding glass door, guys. And what I love about it most is that in some builders, when you open it up all the way, it usually it doesn't stack on each other, right? So it's not even. It's just staggered. With this one, it's stacked. So let me show you. That's what I mean by stacked. Okay, so now you have this open, outdoor, indoor, living, entertaining kind of area there. You don't really see this in new construction homes. You know, some new construction homes, they only offer desert package landscaping. At least with this, with New Village Homes, they offer some turf here, you know, some brushes there, so it's not just all rocks. So that's a really nice touch there. And some builders, they don't offer any landscaping package. So this definitely sets them, you know, apart from the rest of the home builders. Okay, so they offer the front landscaping. Now the backyard is still going to be bare, so that's something that you guys would need to take care of if you guys want to, you know, put a pool back there or something like that. But that's the only thing that they offer as far as like the landscaping package. So I kind of wanted to just walk around the neighborhood a little bit so you can see this community. Again, this is an exclusive gated community. Only 18 homes is being built here, guys. So they only have 5 homes left, so that just means, you know, obviously all the other ones they're already sold. So it's an absolutely gorgeous community, guys. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a beautiful model plan. Okay, again, that was model plan 203. So let's talk about the HOA. So the HOA, you're looking at about $262, and that covers, obviously, it's a beautiful gated community. Okay, it also covers common area maintenance. Okay, you have a nice ramada there. You have also a playground there for the kids. So that's what that $262 cover. All right. As far as the average lot size, you're looking at about a 6,800 square foot lot size. So you definitely have a lot of room to, you know, turn that backyard into, you know, your own personal oasis. Here in Arizona, we obviously love to entertain and we love hanging out outside just because we have year-round sun. So definitely you have a lot of room to, you know, turn that backyard into something awesome. Again, as a reminder, these homes comes with a front yard package. Okay, so you have some turf there, some brushes, and some nice rocks. Okay, so keep that in mind. As far as location wise, okay, so again, this community is off of Ray Road. So if you take a right out of the community and you keep going straight down, you'll end up in Santan Parkway. Okay, and you follow that road down and you'll eventually hit Santan Village. It's literally like 5 minutes away from this community. There in Santan Village, guys, you have everything: entertainment, restaurants, grocery shopping. So really conveniently located to all of that. And it's also very close to the 202 loop. So not only are you very close to Santan Village, again, that's 4 minutes away, you also are very close to downtown Gilbert. In downtown Gilbert, there you have more restaurants, you have a nice bar scene as well. So really cool area to take your family there and just to kind of walk around and see downtown Gilbert. Okay, so that's 9 minutes away. So as far as the airport goes, you're looking at about a 25-minute drive to the airport. Okay, you are about 35 minutes from actual Phoenix City itself. So if you want to catch the Suns game or a Cardinals game, it's about 35 minutes to the Phoenix City itself. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this specific community or any other communities that you are looking into, feel free to reach out to me. Again, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification buttons. That will definitely help this channel a lot, guys, and I appreciate your support. So with that being said, I will see you on the next video. See ya.